Search for Dr. Panda. Oh!
Yay!
Hi, guys! Leo's invited Toto and Ziggy for a picnic adventure here in Panda City Forest. Toto's brought his insect guidebook so he can discover all kinds of insects.
Insects.
Have you found your picnic spot yet, Leo? No worries. I'm sure you'll find the perfect place soon. Oh, what's the matter, Ziggy? Looks like Ziggy found the first insect. What kind of insect is that, Leo? Ah, it's a fire ant. The book says ants don't like it when their nests are disturbed. I think you must have sat down on the ant's nest by accident, Ziggy. Maybe you should move the blanket somewhere else. Sorry, little ant. Ziggy's going to move his picnic blanket to another spot. Lots of insects bite to protect themselves, so you just need to make sure you don't hurt or frighten them. Uh-oh, looks like Ziggy found another insect. What kind of insect is that, Leo?
Bee!
Yep, you got it, Toto. It's a honeybee. Bees collect nectar and pollen in flowers so they can make honey. But bees can sting you if you frighten them. You must have scared the bee when you smelled the flower, Ziggy. You'll have to be careful next time. Aha! I think Ziggy's found another insect. What is it? Ooh, it's a
Spider!
Wait, Ziggy! The book says this spider doesn't bite. Uh-oh! Looks like the muddy pool scared them off. I think we'd better take care of those bites, Ziggy. It's too bad you didn't get to picnic in the forest after all. All you wanted was a bite from your sandwich, and instead, the insects got a bite out of you. What an awesome idea, Leo! You can have the picnic right here. Enjoy the picnic, guys!